Russia, a country that stretches over a vast expanse of Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Once the preeminent republic of the USSR, Russia became an independent country after the dissolution of the Soviet Union in December 1991. Some basic information about Russia. The head of the state is the President, Vladimir Putin. The capital of the country is none other than Moscow, and also the official language that is spoken is obviously Russian. For monetary unit, they use Russian ruble. 1 US dollar is almost equal to 70.7 Russian ruble. In terms of religion, Russians do not follow a particular religion. They follow a variety of it. Now the literacy rate of Russia is very high. It is 99.7%. Means almost the entire country is completely literate. The largest country in the world. Many countries in the world are very big. The US, UK, China, India, all of these are huge countries. But if we compare them with Russia, they stand no chance. Russia is the largest country in the world and its total area is 17,225,000 square kilometers, which is a huge number, and it's approximately 1.8 times the size of US. World's most polluted city. Not only being the largest country, Russia also has the world's most polluted city. Norilsk in Russia not only has a harsh climate with an average temperature of 15.5 degree Fahrenheit, but it is so heavily polluted by heavy metals that it is economically feasible to mine the surface oil. Deepest lake in the world. Russia is the home to the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal contains about 20% of the world's fresh water and is the deepest lake in the world. About 1700 species of plants and animals live in the lake, 2/3 of which can be found nowhere else in the world. The longest railway in the world. The Trans-Siberian Railroad was built between 1891 and 1916. It connects Moscow to far eastern Russia. It's the longest railway line in the world with a length of 9,289. Now that's a ride that you should never miss. The richest city in the world. Did you know Moscow is a billionaire capital? Moscow is a home to more billionaires than anywhere else in the world, the latest count of which comes to 74, which simply means that half of all the richest person in the world live in Moscow. The coldest town in the world. The town of Oymyakon, please forgive me if I spell it wrong. The town of Oymyakon in Yakutia region of Siberia is considered to be one of the coldest inhabited towns on earth. The coldest temperature that was recorded here was minus 77.8 degrees Celsius in 1938. From recent studies, the average temperature in December and January is not much warmer. It is almost minus 50 degrees Celsius. The biggest fortress in the world. Moscow's Kremlin is the biggest active medieval fortress in the world. Its territory spans more than 27 hectares. The walls are over 2.5 kilometers long. 20 towers are sprinkled across the ground, each with its own personal name, apart from the two anonymous towers. Helicopter golf. Some Russians play golf with helicopters. In Moscow's suburbs, you can participate in a curious and unique sport, helicopter golf. The idea of the game is close to traditional golf, although the scale is much higher. Players guide the 1 meter in diameter ball through the snowy route using a 22-pound stick. All the while, the players drive a helicopter, of course. The largest museum in the world. The Hermitage Museum in Russia is the largest and probably the oldest museum in the world. It was founded by Catherine the Great in 1764. It's a massive structure of 6 buildings, and there are over 3 million exhibits inside. It is said that if you spend 1 minute looking at each exhibit in the Hermitage, it would take you about 3 years to see everything inside it. Going on a city tour after getting married. For a 10 days tour in Russia, you will see more brides that you have ever seen in your entire life. You will see them posing in front of famous churches like St. Basil's and Church of Our Savior. And not only there, you can even see them on boats along St. Petersburg's canal. It's a tradition for newly married couples to go on a city tour immediately after they have been married. So these were some of the interesting facts about Russia. Hope you liked the video, and do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our new videos.